Create video with AI from text. Creating videos can be a super lengthy and frustrating process, but with this text-to-video generator, you can make it under 1 minute. To turn a text into video, enter this website. Free trial link is in the description. And at the end of the video, I will tell you how you can use free trial. This is the main page of this text-to-video generator. You may see many items here, but you just need to click this option to convert script to video. I assume that you have a text like this, and now you need to convert this script into a video. If you don't have a script, generate it with the help of AI tools like ChatGPT as I did it. You have to paste your script here now. Easy! When you enter a text here, this AI tool automatically analyzes all its sentences and words, and selects related videos for each sentence based on these sentences. Now you can guide this artificial intelligence exactly from this part to generate a better video for you according to your taste. In the first option, you will allow highlight words be in subtitle of the video or not. If you want highlighting the words, you can leave it on. In the second option, you can allow AI to choose the footages for your video. If you like to choose them by yourself, you can turn this off. But I think we use AI tools to make our work process faster and better. So I prefer to leave it on and pictory choose for me. And the last part is for choose scene based on sentence or line breaks and paragraph. If you like a new scene after each sentence, choose first one. If you like a new scene show after each line breaks, choose second one. I prefer to choose both option here. Then after this setting, click on this option to continue. This is when the magic happens. This video is created with AI, just with the text I pasted earlier. Amazing, right? Now let me explain important parts for you. Of course, you can check it all by yourself with the link in description. Here in the right side, you have different scenes that divided by sentences. Click on each slide to watch. At first, you have to check all these slides too, see if you like the footages or not. If you don't like one footage, you can change it. For example, I want to change this video. I click on it. Then click on Visual option in the menu. You have some words here that show the sentence keyword based on the subtitle of this slide. You can choose one of these words to search for new footage, as I did here now, and this is the result. Or you can type your word here and search for the footages, like as I am doing now. Pictory has a big library of different footage in any niche with high quality. It is really amazing, and this benefit can save times for you, and it is really worth it. If you choose your footage, just click on it. As you can see, this footage change easily. You can do it for every slide you want. Here, next to each image in this library, you have a similar search option. For example, suppose you liked a video and you would like to watch other similar videos. If you click on this option, it will show you similar videos as you see. Now let me tell something about subtitles. As you can see, this AI text-to-video generator has auto caption. And this is one of the best benefits of this AI, because subtitles can increase the average view duration of the video, and this is really worth it. Now let me show you the style option here before any changes on subtitles. You can see different style in any colors, font, and so on. By click on them, you can change the subtitles format. For example, this one. As you can see, everything has been changed. You can change all of them if you want by click on this option here. Now maybe you need to make some other changes on this. Click on subtitle in one slide. Then this toolbar will appear. Now you can make it smaller or bigger. You can change the font, you can change the color, and anything else you see here easily. Then click on this option to apply to all slides. Now let's go to the next part. Background music and voiceover. Click on audio in the menu. Here you have access to background music and voiceovers. First, take a look at background musics. There are so many music here in any genre and mood you need. You can use the filters above to make it easier to find your favorite music. You can listen to each music by click on play button. And then if you enjoy it, click apply to add it in your video. Now click on voiceover. Here you have different voiceover for any purpose and any content. These are good for documentary, narration, gaming, educational, vlog, meditation, and any other document you need. You can also find your favorite voice by filter some options above. Now let's listen some of these voices.
In seed time, learn. In harvest, teach. In winter, enjoy.
Yesterday's home runs don't win today's games.
Ideas are the beginning points of all fortunes.
Love all, trust a few, do wrong to none.
We have committed the golden rule to memory. Let us now commit it to life.
Sometimes it is better to lose and do the right thing than to win and do the wrong thing.
The only thing to do with good advice is to pass it on. It is never of any use to oneself.
What worries you masters you. Love cures people, both the ones who give it and the ones who receive it.
Our distrust is very expensive.
Don't be afraid to go out on a limb. That's where the fruit is.
Of course, you cannot hear the real voice now, because I am recording this now and it is maybe not in high quality for record. You have to sign up and listen to the real voice by yourself to feel it better. As I told before, you can find any voice for each niche you want from here. Now I want to choose this one for my video. Now this video from text is ready to download if you don't want to edit it more than this. But before downloading the video, watch the preview from here. Please like and subscribe, guys. Thank you.
The USA is a big country with many amazing places to visit. Here are 5 important spots you should not miss. New York City. The Statue of Liberty, Times Square, and Central Park are just a few of the famous places in this exciting city. Grand Canyon. Located in Arizona, this huge canyon is one of the natural wonders of the world. You can hike or simply enjoy the breathtaking views. Las Vegas. Known for its bright lights and casinos, Las Vegas offers entertainment, shopping, and shows for every taste. Yellowstone National Park. This park is famous for its wildlife, hot springs, and geysers like Old Faithful. Washington, D.C. The capital of the USA, Washington, D.C., is full of history. Visit the White House, the Capitol, and many museums.
I spent less than 5 minutes to create video with AI from text, so I can save my time more than past. And time is everything these days. Pictory has so many features, but I don't want to make you bored in this video. I will make more videos in future about how to use this AI tool. And of course, I have different video with this tool in this channel. I suggest work with it by yourself and see how easy and amazing it is to work with. To use free trial, click on the link below in the description. Now click here. Choose Google account here. Now choose your Gmail from here to continue. Your free trial account has been created and you can use it now. Also, you can use coupon code I add in the description. Copy and save the lifetime Pictory coupon code from description.